Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about viewing or seeing your link history on Facebook. So if you have the link history enabled, you should be able to see it in the settings menu. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app on your iOS or Android device and select your profile icon in the top right. And then you want to go and select settings and privacy. Underneath the menu, go ahead and select the link history. And then if you had link history enabled, you would see it in here. Otherwise, if it said allow link history, you see a page like this. It means it's not enabled and you would not see anything going back. But going forward, if you enabled it here, you'd be able to see it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.